Myself Vijay Pratap Singh. I am your commerce teacher. Today we are going to start our topic marketing management. So today we have to discuss about marketing management and what is the meaning of marketing management. We have to discuss with the help of this topic. So in front of you I have written about these all things and we have to discuss about marketing management. Marketing management is a very important part of our marketing process. If we can able to manage our marketing process, we can able to achieve success. According to that, we are going to know introduction and meaning. Introduction and meaning of marketing management. In front of you I have written marketing management refer to management of all the activities related to market. With the help of that we can able to know each and every relation and what is the relativity between these all things we can able to know in the marketing management. Once again listen, marketing management refer to management of all the activities related to the market. In other words we can say there was no difference between selling and marketing, but modern age, in the age of globalization where consumers play very important role. With the help of that we can say consumers are very important part of our marketing management. Same thing is given in front of you. This is the explanation and introduction about marketing management. Now we are going to discuss about the marketing. What is the meaning of marketing? So in front of you I written marketing is the social process. Marketing is a social process which includes the group origin, what they need and what through creating, offering and freely exchanging products and services of the value with others. This is the marketing. This is the explanation of marketing. Once again listen, marketing is social process by which includes and groups origin, what they need and what through creating, offering and freely creating products and services of value with others. With the help of that we can able to know about marketing. Another thing we can say, the marketers who hard to discover the need and wants of customers and try to resolve products or services which would safety them. Another thing, all the firms try to purchase the product which are determined by the safely customers need and wants. In this we can say marketing is a very important part of our marketing management. According to that we can able to discuss about feature of marketing. In front of you I have written 4 features. First one is a need and wants. Second one, creating a market offering. Next one is given customer value and last one given exchange medium. So now we are going to discuss one by one all once again. First one is given need and wants. The focus of marketing is need and wants of customers. All activities in the markets are carried out with the main motive of satisfaction, need and wants of customers and organizations. With the help of that, we can say this is a need and wants of feature of marketing. Second feature we are going to know, creating a market offering. So next one is given in front of you here. Offering. Market offering means determining the product and services by specifying the features, shape, size and color. These all things are very important part to creating a market offering. With the help of these things, we can able to know each and every process. For example, offer is TV, then specifying the various size of these all activities. Suppose for example, you want to purchase a color TV. First you have to know each and every feature, activity, quality, shape and size. Then you have to purchase it. This is the important part. Next one is given in front of you. Customer value. Customers is referred to give the price for the product only when they get satisfaction on only when product is offering utilize machining or matching to the price. With the help of that, we can say the customer's value. For example, you want to purchase a color TV on the price of 10,000. If you can able to purchase it, if you have a valuation of 10,000 in your pocket, then you can able to purchase. And this valuation is an important part of our customer value. Then we can able to purchase these types of such products, otherwise goods and services from the market. That's why marketing features are very important part. Next one is given exchange mechanism. The process of marketing involves exchange of products and services for money or money worth. In other words, in exchange customers pay money and in return they take products or services which the customers are doing with the help of these all things. So exchange is a very important part of our marketing process. Exchange is coming there. Without exchange, we can't able to run and we can't able to do these types of such activity in our marketing management. That's why few important topics are given in front of you in exchange. First one is a buyer and seller, customers and marketer. These all are there. First one. Second one, both patent must have something viewed variable by each other. Next we can say both partners are free to accept and reject the offers. We are not bonded to purchase each and everything. We are fully free. We can reject it also. Suppose for example, I have a shop. I want to sell something and I have to call you and I will give you pressure to purchase these all things. This is not good and this is not a rule and regulation. I can't able to force anyone. Okay, you are totally free to accept anything and reject anything. Next one is the given. Each party is capable to communication and delivery. And last one is in front of you. Each party feels derivative and deals with the other end. Okay. So dear students, now we have discussed about the marketing management, introduction, marketing and feature of marketing. In front of you, these topics I had completed up to now. So dear students, please you have to make a notes and revise it well. It's a very important part. Marketing management is a very important part for your syllabus and this is an important part of your class 12 board exam. Introduction and meaning is given in front of you. Marketing management refers to management of all the activities related to market. Okay, this is the small information is given in front of you. With the help of that, you have to make a notes and prepare it well. So dear students, you have to subscribe my channel and share it to your friends in other groups also. And you have to listen each and every lecture, make a notes. And students, you have to maintain each and every lines in your notebooks. It's a very important part. And now we are going to close this lecture. Tomorrow once again we have to meet in the next classes. So you have to subscribe my channel. And thank you all for watching this YouTube link. Thank you.